Now sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum is denoted by S and n terms means Sn. So Sn equal to n upon 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms denoted by Sn equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. It also can be written as n by 2 twice A can be written as A plus A. A plus A equal to twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n upon 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. It is Tn. So A plus Tn equal to n upon 2 and A means T1. A is the first term, T1 also first term. So A equal to T1 plus Tn. So sum of n terms equal to n upon 2 equal to first term plus nth term. Okay, here this is the first formula of Sn and this is the second formula of Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. By using this formula, we can solve exercise 3.3 and our exercise 3.3 is question number 1, that is activity. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. Here. First term is A equal to 6, D equal to 3, S27 equal to question mark. Therefore, Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, S27 equal to 27 by 2 in bracket 12 plus 27 minus 1 into 3 equal to 27 by 2 into 90. Solve this bracket. So answer is 90 and then 245 is a 90. 27 into 45 equal to 100, 2015. This is Sn. Then second question. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Okay. Here question number 2, practice at 3.3. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Find, the question is that find the sum of 123 even natural numbers. Let even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dash, dash, dash. Okay. Question is that find the sum of 123 means sum of 123 even natural number. So S of 123 equal to question mark. The even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here A equal to T1 equal to A is the first term, that is 2. D equal to T2 minus T1. Here T1, D2, T3, T4, T2 minus T1. Then 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Common difference is 2. We have Sn equal to n upon 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Here sum of 123 means S of 123 equal to question mark. So here n is equal to 123. Then write down here n equal to 123. Then find sum of 123. So write down n equal to 123 equal to 123 upon 2. यहाँ पर चेंज किया तो यहाँ पर भी चेंज करना है, यहाँ पर भी चेंज करना है. ओके, So here 123 equal to 123 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus n equal to 123 minus 1 and d is 2. Solve this bracket. 123 upon 2. 2 to the 4 plus 123 minus 1 122 into 2. First solve multiplication. So 123 upon 2 in bracket 4 plus 122 into 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 244 and equal to 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 244, 248. 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. So 123 into 124 as of 123. So 123 into 124 equal to 15. Take 123 into 124. 4 3s are 12. 15,252. Therefore, the sum of 123 terms is 15,252. So, write down here in words sum of 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Okay. Then third problem. Problem number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Given is that S55 equal to 3300 and to find T28 by using sum of nth natural number. Question number 6. Here given equal to sum of 55 terms equal to 3300. Okay, to find T28 and solution is that here given sum of 55 terms is 3300. So we use formula of sum of nth natural number. We know that Sn equal to n upon 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Here sum of 55 terms equal to 55 upon 2 twice a plus 55 minus 1 into d. 55 upon 2 twice a plus 55 minus 1, 54d. Then, but given that S55 equal to 3300. So, write down here 3300. 3300 equal to 55 upon 2 into 2 will get common. Then remaining term is a plus 27d. Here 2 will get cancelled. So 3300 equal to 55 in bracket a plus 27d. 3300 divided by 55 equal to a plus 27d. Here 55 6 330 and remaining 0 is, so 60 equal to a plus 27d. Side change, therefore a plus 27d equal to 60, and here equation number 1. Then, but find T28. So we use formula of term. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth equal to 28. Then write here T28 equal to a plus 28 minus 1 into d. A plus 28 minus 1, 27d. Here T28 equal to a plus 27d. From equation 1, a plus 27d equal to 60. So put a plus 27d equal to 60, and therefore 28th term is 60. This is our last answer. T28 equal to 60. Question number 8. Find 7 and 8 both are same. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Okay. Then assume the 4 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a plus d, a plus twice d. Means 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12. This is the first condition, and sum of third and fourth term is 14. So this is our second condition, and find 4 consecutive terms in an AP. So let solution. Let 4 consecutive terms in an AP are. Here first consecutive term is a minus d, second a, third a plus d, and fourth is a plus twice d. These are the 4 consecutive terms in an AP. According to our first condition, what is first condition? Sum of all consecutive terms in an AP is 12. So write down here a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus twice d equal to 12. Solve this. A plus a plus a plus a, this is 4a, and minus d plus twice d, sorry, minus d plus d cancel, and here plus 2d equal to 12. Then 2 will get common. 2a plus d equal to 12, and therefore 2a plus d equal to 12 upon 2, that is 6. So this is the equation number 1. According to second condition is that according to second condition, and second condition is sum of third and fourth term is 14. Sum of third and fourth term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and sum of these two terms is 14. So according to second condition, a plus d plus a plus 2d equal to 14. Solve this. A plus a 2a, and d plus 2d 3d equal to 14, equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously, and find the value of a and d and then put the value of a and d in these terms and find our solution. Okay, so equation first and 2 solve simultaneously. Here 2a both are same, then subtracting equation 2 minus equation 1, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 is 2a plus 3d, 2a plus 3d equal to 14, 2a plus d equal to 6, sign change, 2a cancel, plus 3 minus 1d that is 2d equal to 14 minus 6, 8, and therefore d equal to 8 upon 2 and d equal to 4. The value of d is 4, then find the value of a. So put d equal to 4 in equation 1. Put d equal to 4 in equation 1 and find the value of a. So equation 1 is 2a plus d equal to 6. 2a plus 4 equal to 6. 2a equal to 6 minus 4, 2a equal to 2, and therefore a equal to 1. 2 by 2, a equal to 1. So here value of a is 1 and the value of d is 4. So find our 4 consecutive terms. Our 4 consecutive terms are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. So put a equal to 1 and d equal to 4 in these consecutive terms and find our solution. Therefore a minus d equal to, a is 1 and d is 4. So 1 minus 4 equal to 3. This is the first term. Then second term a equal to 1. This is the second term. Third term is a plus d. A plus d. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5. And last term is a plus 2d. 1 plus 2 into 4 equal to 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Therefore minus 3 here. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. These are 4 consecutive terms in an AP. Therefore, minus 3, 1, 5, 9 are 4 consecutive terms in an AP. Then problem number 9. If ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. Okay. Here given is that T9 equal to 0, and to show 29th term is twice T19. Okay. Solution number 9 given 19th term is 0, means 9th term is 0, sorry 9th term is 0, so T9 equal to 0, this is given. To show 29th term means T29, 29th term is twice 19th term, twice 19th term means 29th term is equal to twice 19th term. So write down here T29 minus 2T19 equal to 0. Then to show that T29 minus 2T19 equal to 0. solution. Given is that T9 equal to 0. So we have Tn equal to, or we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put n equal to 9 and find T9. T9 equal to A plus n means 9 minus 1 into D equal to A plus 9 minus 1 8D. So T9 equal to A plus 8D, but T9 equal to 0. So put here T9 equal to 0 equal to A plus 8D. Since T9 equal to 0 and side change, therefore A plus 8D equal to 0, and this is the equation number 1. Then second, find T29. Okay, again we have Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find T29. So here T29 equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. A plus 29 minus 1 28D. Therefore T29 equal to A plus 28D, equation number 2. Find T19. Then similarly T19 equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D, and A plus 19 minus 1 is 18D. So T19 equal to A plus 18D, equation number 2. T29 equal to A plus 28D and T19 equal to A plus 18D. Put both the values in this equation, T29 minus 2T19. So here T29 minus 2T19 equal to 0. Equal to here T29 minus 2T19 equal to T29 equal to A plus 28D. So write here A plus 28D minus 2 in bracket T19 equal to A plus 18D. Solve this bracket. Equal to A plus 28D minus 2 into A, 2A, minus 2 into 18D minus 36D. 18 to the 36. Okay. Then A minus 2A means minus 1A, and plus 28D minus 36D equal to minus 8D. 36 minus 28 minus 8D. Here minus sign will get common, and remaining term is A plus 8D. Okay. Then from equation number 1, A plus 8D equal to 0 means minus into 0. Put A plus 8D equal to 0 from equation 1. Here from equation, reason is that from equation 1, because the value of A plus 8D equal to 0. So write here A plus 8D equal to 0, and minus into 0 equal to 0. Therefore the value of T29, therefore T29 minus 2T19 equal to 0. Therefore T29 equal to, माइनस को उधर लेके जाइए, it is 2T19. This is our proof. T29 equal to 2T19. So here to show T29 equal to twice T19. This problem is for 4 mark. Very most important problem.